So I have thought, if tomorrow I am decreasing my fees, I am losing my financial independence, and then I have to depend upon subsidies of the government. And as soon as you depend on the government subsidies, तुम्हारा education institute education नहीं रह जाएगा, political institute हो जाएगा, ठीक है? So what is happening is that I am totally disagreed to the proposal by the HRD ministry. During that time, Joshi Sahab told Murli Manohar Joshi that if I save it, if I save this 30,000, 1,50,000 कितना बचा? 1,20,000. If I save this amount, I can add this amount per person, whatever I'm saying, like 1,25,000, and I can teach 20,000 to 30,000 more students in Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. I fail to understand that where the country we top in these scams, crore का scam होता है, that person is claiming to reduce the one educational institute which is the premium, which is one of the, in educational temples, if you talk about, you can take the name of IIMs. Because they are providing such kind of mindset that our identity in the international parameters, in the national parameters is increasing. They put forward a point, and it was a very well answered by one IIM alumni, IIT alumni, Satyendra Paul or something. He got killed. Satyendra Dubey, he got killed, an engineer from IIT. He wanted to expose the system, and then he got killed. So this guy was asking, the government was claiming that you people from IIM and IITs do not stay in your country, you leave and go. There is nobody involved in teaching or research and development. He told, if we involve in this kind of socialistic parameters, see what is going to happen to us. Any individual who is doing all that hard work to qualify IITs or IIMs and get into it, he is looking forward for the growth and development. Even if he is going out, he is sending remittance. And even if he is taking the citizenship of that particular country, it is the Indian origin which is coming into picture. The faith of that particular country in your culture is further increasing. And if this is orientation, why should we go? So it was a good debate, and finally it is an isolated institute until now. Okay. Autonomous institute. Okay. Now, see, this is the issue which is there. There are 188 government schools, but 59% does not have proper infrastructure like drinking waters, and 89% do not have any toilets. Then curriculum. This is the main issue. See, whatever curriculum even they have in the IITs, even which you have in the IIMs, even the B grade MBA colleges or the B grade engineering colleges, what they study in their education, and when they go to the practical life, पता चला पढ़ा कुछ और है, demand कुछ और है. India lack a particular meeting in which people from the industries, people from the different world come sit with the HRD ministry and say that if you are giving me engineers, this is my requirement, or this has to be my requirement in the future year. So that you build these people, train, and they will get the right job. 50% of the people in India is not getting job, not because they are not educated. They are educated in a wrong way. They are not educated in the way in which the demand is approaching to them. I remember when in the year 2000, maybe in the year 1998, 1997, when this Shopper Stop, Pantaloons, retail culture started to happen, next 5 years, there was no management courses of retail. There were a lot of demand because many things were, in fact today also, just 4% of your country retail is organized. Rest is that कोई किराना शॉप से काम चल रहा है, ठीक है? आज उधार कल नगद दीजिए, कोई बात नहीं, किताब चल रहा है. शॉपर तो नहीं चल सकता ना? But today now you are having retail management courses, retail pantaloons can come with this, that. But that particular lacuna of 5 years, in that years many guys have done their invested the money, पैसे in engineering, doctors, job नहीं मिला, लेकिन कहाँ से अगर वो retail कर लिया रहता तो he could have gotten a job for himself. So this is a lacuna. So we need that kind of mindset. Second, there is an ignorance among the student. They know just 4 to 5 degrees: management, doctor, civil services, bank PO, SSC, things like that. I'm not very sure about the different perspectives. There is no curriculum happening in the 9th standard. In the 9th standard, we need to choose whether we want to go for commerce, arts or science. How do we decide? हमारा मार्क्स जिसमें कम है वो नहीं लेना, जिसमें ज्यादा है वो ले लेना है, उसको लेके पढ़ते हैं. Then what my senior did, okay, he followed this, he got a job. Okay, job. So we are doing education for job perspective. If that is the situation, why not you are educating yourself in that job so that you can do a flying colors in when you join the job? I don't have this particular mindset. People have wasted their careers together. In fact, wasting 5 years of doing job, 10 years of doing job, and then realizing that what they actually wanted to do in life. So this is a problem which is happening to us. Okay. And then there is one problem. There is one economical concept coming: frictional unemployment. You know this? When you are changing from one job to another job, and in that period if you are not employed, that is called frictional unemployment. It is also get converted into voluntary unemployment, where I am getting so much pissed, I am not getting another job, I am leaving my job and sitting at home deciding that what I actually want to do. Imagine if tomorrow 10% of ITs and IIMs are doing the same kind of thing, the kind of loss it will be happening to your own country. Okay? And as my friend mentioned, yes, awareness, affordability and accessibility to education is also a problem. We'll go to the next slide.
What's the name of the exactly the program, teaching at a level of what?
Teaching?
Teaching at a level. Is it some NGO started that?
Yes, I am not sure. Actually, what you told now, it was mentioned in somebody's report.
No,
it was mentioned in NGO's report that got national publicity. उसके बाद से उठ के आए. You are correct. अभी याद कर लूँगा. You change the slide.
Teaching at a level.
Yes. See, two things. As I had discussed midday meal. So the people who can get to or who can come and do studies because they lack food or they want to have food, they can come through midday meal schemes. Okay. So it is from class 1 to 8. You know, first it was only for class 1 to 6. Now they have increased from class 6 to 8 also. So these people can come and have a food here. Okay. And then this is Sabla. This is for specifically girls. Here what is happening? Girls is getting proper एक किशोरी card मिल जाता है. They get food. You know what? If suppose if there is one girl and she can bring 3 kg of rice, they can bring 3 kg of dal to her home. It is bound that the parents has to send that child to the school. अच्छा वो मैंने बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ लिखा था ना? उसमें एक account system भी है. You know that account क्या है?
So they have to
Sukanya award, Sukanya account.
Age of 10, they have to create accounts
Yes.
for them and they will get a 9% return in it.
Yes, that
and
is
then,
more important. Yes.
After they attain the age of 18, so for higher education or they get married, whichever is earlier, they can take out that money.
See, the maximum saving rate of interest, how much you are getting?
9%.
No, maximum in normal circumstances.
8.5.
6.5 से लेके ये चल रहा है, ठीक है? लेकिन if you are opening that account for the girl, the rate of return is 9.1%. Rate of interest is 9.1%. The minimum contribution which we have to do compulsory is 1,000, and the maximum contribution which can do is in a year is 1,50,000. Okay, so in case you know what, the educated family they buy some plan for their daughters. कि marriage plan कर लिया, 20 साल बाद education plan. But the people who are not sure, उनके लिए आपको एक law बनाना पड़ेगा. You have to make them do that. And actually what you're doing, you're trying to sell in the same kind of policies which these private companies are selling. But since you people are educated, you understand their importance, so you take it. But the people who are BPL categories or who are in the lower middle class, they don't have any idea. That is when straight away you put it open like this, that I am giving you a higher rate of interest, please invest, so that when the girl becomes 18 of age, this particular person will not have that particular orientation कि मुझ पे ये बोझ हो गई. That time they will have quite good amount of money and they can do it. Okay.
Is it compulsory or is it voluntary?
Voluntary, it's not. India में कुछ is compulsory हो ही नहीं सकता. Then you see the next famous program Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. बहुत अच्छा success हुआ है. It's good. Elementary education ये कर रहा है. See, actually these schemes are what they are providing infrastructure and services. These were what just into food category. These are there where you have infrastructure and services. And the last one is for e-learning. We are talking about digital India. So you know what? It has become compulsory now. All the schools, if they are doing midday meal scheme or Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, they have to inculcate the computer education as a compulsory basis. Okay, that is what they. Then you have this company Hero Honda. याद है e-Chopar का program चालू किया था? That famous e-Chopar, educating that ITC, right? ITC of e-Chopar. Okay, so this is one of the kind of initiative from the government part. Okay.
Vocational studies also they are making it mandatory in most of the schools now.
Yeah, yes, yeah. And in fact, they have also started to mandate that you should have also give some seats for the lower part of society, SC, ST, OBC. Okay. So it's fine. You can go to next. You know, this is a very ये देखने में डेटा है पर है एक मजाक. हंस सकते हो जितना मन करे. C. Rangarajan was the panel member of the poverty data. He was made, both this were made by the Planning Commission. They was made in 2005-2009. According to Tendulkar Committee, a person is not poor if he is consuming 2,400 calories in rural area and 2,100 calories in urban area, that particular person is not poor. You know, it's a funny story. मैं तुम्हें 3 बिस्कुट खिलाऊंगा हॉर्लिक्स के और 2 सिर्फ दूंगा फैंटा के, तुम्हारे कैलोरीज पूरे हो जाएंगे. अगर तुमने ज्यादा पी लिया तो तुम धीरूभाई अंबानी कैटेगरी में आ जाओगे. And you have become multi-millionaire. Because what is the basic? 2400 calories and 2100 calories. This Rangarajan person, he is again a Mahanatma, you know, further reduce कर दिया. बोला 2100 काफी है. 2400 की जगह उनको बोला 2100 और इनका 2019 ऐसा कर दिया. He was basically criticized about, see, if a person is earning around 32 and here it's like 47, उसके नीचे जाओगे तो you are a BPL. Means in urban area, how much you have to earn? See, how much you have to earn per day? 47. And in rural poverty, how much they have to earn? 32. If you are earning above that, you are not coming under the BPL category. This was, a kind of it was mewed like anything. People made fun out of it. Because you tell me, if I am earning 32, how will I survive in a rural area per day? What is my monthly income? And then 2 rupees 60 रुपए और बढ़ा लो. 1060 हो गया. 1060 भी नहीं होगा, 960 रुपए हो गया ना. Tell me. Now see, no wonder this Congress government came with the Food Security Act of 2013. देखो, these people were there. ये पूरा ये आ गया. सबसे पहले what they did, Sonia Gandhi, she made one panel and she started to work on par with the government and she started to make the Food Security Act 2013. Had this Food Security Act 2013 would not have been placed, ये गंदा हो जाता. What is Food Security Act? क्या है उसमें? अनाज कितने का भाव आप 5 kg राइस, बीट और पल्सेस ले सकते हैं. 3 रुपया, 2 रुपया, 1 रुपया कीमत respectively. So now if I calculate this, yes, this can be acceptable. Government making a mistake and trying to. It was just a vote politics, I should, because election होने वाला था.
So these reports just to give a rosy picture, ना, to keep the percentage low, because actual situation तो कुछ और ही है.
देखो इंडिया में क्या है, I tell you like this, you understand, if this is a graph, right? If suppose this is the baseline, okay, and this is the baseline for BPL families, so people staying here will be BPL. In India, what we do?
During the
line नीचे because see, if you want to improve, देखो ये क्या है? If you want to improve, you have to improve in SDI index. United Nations के index के ऊपर उठना है. तो अगर ये देखो गरीब आदमी को तो ऐसे भी नहीं समझ में आना है. This particular report is to win the votes of intellectual crowd. Will a गरीब आदमी ठीक index वाला आएगा, हाँ बताओ जी क्या है index, कब देंगे वोट आपको? This is only to get, and this will only happen, और ये इसलिए करते हैं because they can improve on their index. They can get more money from World Bank and IMF so that I am working. They can take more loans. Facilitation अच्छा होगा.
So now also during elections, like it's 33. तो जिसकी 32 इनकम है उसको सब्सिडी दे दो, उसकी 34 हो जाएगी एंड परसेंटेज इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. जो रियली पुअर है, लाइक जो 10 अर्न कर रहे हैं, उनको तो वो तो उसी पोजीशन पे रहते हैं पूरे टाइम.
हाँ, that's what I'm telling ना. अगर अब ये छोड़ रही 32 और 47, मैं इसको अगर मतलब इसमें इसको डबल भी कर दूंगा, even if I give them 100% increment also, what they will do with that? Will they able to teach? Will they able to have food? अगर बीमार पड़ जाएगा तो क्या होगा? So this are there. Just see.
Before the National Food Security Mission was implemented, there was a system called PDS, Product Distribution System. Under that also similar kind of things were there, that how many kgs at different stage. So instead of correcting the leakages in that system, why did they bring a fresh new plan just to highlight that we're doing something?
There were so many leakages.
See, इंडिया में एक तो कहावत है, I discussed earlier also, कि 100 पैसे given by the government, just 10 पैसे which is the lower level. That particular class which was going on during that time was there in a older version. They thought to bring in a newer version so that it will have the more impact, with more accountability, more auditing system. So I understand Food Security Act 2013 was good enough because see, what will you do in a normal circumstances? If our old processes are not working, we have to bring a new policy. So government did that. If you had to add a positive words, in fact there was an Annapurna scheme also. There is the Antyodaya Yojana also. In fact, there is one good scheme. Let me add to your point. There is a scheme called National Old Age Pension Scheme. If you are till the age of 60 years, you will get 300 per month. If you are above 80 years, you will get 500 rupees per month. Okay. There is one scheme for widows also. And see the dilemma here. Why what they are trying to cover up. In that particular scheme only, there is one scheme for widows, that if a widow is there 40 years and above, she can get 300 per month. What is the legal age of your marriage in India? For girls?
18.
If she become a widow at 18 years, वो 300 रुपया पाने के लिए उसको 12 साल रुकना पड़ेगा. And 22 साल रुकना पड़ेगा. And in that, if there is no one to help her, she has to by force go to the age of prostitution. हाँ यार कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा ना to feed her child. So this is the scheme. So that was many lacunas which they tried to improve in the food security to make it more meaningful and going to deep. Okay. Yes, you can note down this. You know, that's what I was mentioning. We have the second largest population, seventh largest in land frontiers, fourth to go in NASA, sixth to go in outer space, 10th largest industrialized country. All these good things we have. But if you look on the humanistic figure, see where we lie. Okay. Global corruption में बिल्कुल आधे आधे खड़े रहते हैं. लेकिन rest you can see that what is our ranking. Okay.
Peace में first में Singapore था.
हाँ. Who said that? हाँ, Singapore. Global Peace Index में बात तो first नहीं है. Iceland है. Because I mentioned ना why Iceland. 70% population of penguins. हाँ. Yeah. हाँ, see. Top 10 हाँ. अगर तुम्हें अगर याद नहीं है तो तुम स्वीडन बोल सकते हो टॉप 10 में. लेकिन तुमको पता है स्वीडन इज सेकंड इन द रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ इन द नंबर ऑफ पर कैपिटा रेप केसेस 65.46 सेकंड रैंक आफ्टर साउथ अफ्रीका. व्हाट मेंशन ना 114.6 साउथ अफ्रीका, 60.46 स्वीडन, 28.6 यूएस एंड देन 1 or 2 years of
Sweden is still in the top 10 in the peace index.
yes. Scandinavian countries, their hopes and aspirations of across the country. So you can write this. World Press Freedom Index, you know, this has been taken up by an organization called Reporters Without Borders. Okay, and the Pakistan and China are the lowest among this. Because China, you know, each year they kill their 500 journalists. हर साल मारते हैं. Because they only want to print those things which the government want to print. And पाकिस्तान में अभी तालिबान का अटैक्स बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया था. प्रेस रिपोर्टर्स पे तो उनका रैंक कम हो गया. If you talk about terrorism, this is top 6. Means if you are getting a top rank, it's bad. It's उल्टा. That means corruption is उल्टा. ठीक है, तो हमारा सिंगल डिजिट मतलब खराब ही होगा, अच्छा होगा नहीं. ये पॉइंट न करो. मतलब समझ जाना कि खराब वाला से चालू है. अभी सिंगल डिजिट लिखा है. And you know, अगर ये सोचो, you might think that we are in a very much peace, right? If suppose they ask you that in global terrorism index our rank, and these are all latest, you can rely. तुम्हारे इंटरव्यू तक चेंज नहीं होगा, because ये आता मार्च के बाद है सारे इंडेक्स, तो इस पर rely कर सकते हैं. सब लेटेस्ट है 2014 का, इसमें 2015 में अभी कोई नहीं आया. So how does our global terrorism index is rising to such a high level, 6 out of 124? एक तरीके से और
पाकिस्तान नंबर 1 है क्या?
पाकिस्तान की कोई और कंट्री, अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज एक्चुअली. श्रीलंका, नाइजीरिया, ये सब कंट्रीज है, सब साउथ अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज.
पाकिस्तान का 4th 5th होगा ऊपर ही.
हाँ ऊपर ही है. But why India is coming at the 6th position? Because of the Naxal movement. Because of the Naxal movement we have come, and you might also know because of ASPA, which is coming on in different parts. Armed Forces Special Power Band, which is now been notorious because of the human violations which are going on, and there are also cases under the Indian Army for the rape cases this is going on. So this is all our rank has come to such a ambitious target. So please go to the next slide. Thank you so much.